good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you another new thing inside the automation editor that we got with FL Studio 20.9 thanks to ImageLine. Okay, so we've already done a video on the automation editor. If you want to see that, you can check it with the top right, but this is just going to show off another feature that's inside it. So if we highlight the area that we want to automate, which for me it's these first 8 bars, I can go into the effect that I want to automate, which is the effector. Okay, I want to automate the dry and wet. So I'm going to right click that and create an automation clip. Okay, it's going to create one into the playlist. I can double click that clip and it's going to open it up in the new editor mode, all right? And I can see the length of my clip right here. So we're going to kind of just right click and paint a automation in, okay? Something like that, all right? Now I can either do a control left click and highlight, or a control A to highlight all of the points. Then I want to go down to this little drop down menu right here and do smooth, okay? Smooth up. Now I can mess with the settings right here. The attack, release, offset it, slope. Let's try something like that, and it'll make it a little bit more smooth. So yeah, that sounds pretty nice. We can also, mess with it more to get it sounding a little bit better. But that's pretty much it for this video, showing the little drop down menu that's inside the automation editor. Okay, so yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.